What's up, man? I'm Miguel. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's special video, we are unboxing the one and only Dior Homme Parfum. Oh, this thing is so hard to get. So I have to give a big shout out, grosse dédicace to Smila Milao because wow, she really helped me out to get this. So everybody put it in the comments. Thanks, Smila, W Smila, in the comments section because if it wasn't for her, I would not be getting this right now. This thing right here, I thought was like a special letter, but nah, it's just the return information. So we can just chuck that to the side. Don't worry about that one. Now we get into the interesting part. Ooh, the perfume is there, but wait, they gave us some goodies. That's what you get when you buy from the actual store in comparison to buying it from a discounter. You get them extra goodies, and to be honest, it looked kind of worth it. Even that little Dior bag itself looked fancy, you know. Might just have to reuse it for somebody else's gift. They were taking good care of us with a freaking 10 milliliter of Dior Sauvage Eau de Parfum. This is crazy. I can't even lie. That's a very good gift. Can't complain. I like how they have the batch code at the back, and it's actually in a glass bottle as well. I gotta be careful. Hopefully I don't put too much. Ooh, ay caray. I put way too much. My whole room finna stink like Dior Sauvage. It's gonna smell like a high school washroom. Oh my days. But I can't complain. This scent is good. Thanks Dior for that. I'm gonna have to put this in like a decant bottle or a little travel size atomizer thing. Okay, what's left in the bag? I think there's Bois d'Argent right there. Pretty cool. That's from the like private blend or specialty stuff. And then Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. I think that's like their newer one that came out in 2021. As you can see, this is a 2 ml sample of Bois d'Argent. It's a Eau de Parfum concentration. Pretty interesting. D'Argent is a scent that I'm gonna definitely talk more about later on, but from my first sprays, it smells very woody and ambery and very smooth and clean. So stay tuned for a review of that coming soon. Now, Miss Dior, this fragrance is the feminine fragrance. A lot of women like it a lot. It's very fruity, floral, a bit powdery in a way. The sample size is a bit too small for me to really review, but I'm definitely going to give it away to someone because they'll make more use out of it than myself. All three of the goodies again, you know, that's a benefit you get when you purchase stuff straight from the actual official websites. So thank you, Dior, for that. I'm going to put it all away and then get to the real deal, to what everybody tuned in for. Wasn't these little small fragrances. We came for the parfum. Dior Homme Parfum. And that's what I'm about to show you guys right now. Just look at the box for a second. Look at them gold accents on the words. You see parfums in gold and everything. Just wow. Basically the same box as the Intense, except that everything is in gold instead of like silver writing. Kind of shows like the extra level of class, you know? I don't know, maybe I'm talking too much. Look at the gorgeous, very dark ambery juice and that parfum nice in gold. Christian Dior cap, looking clean. And wow, what is that? My name embossed on it. Yes, that's what you get when you order straight from the website. It was free as well. And for all those who like to ask, oh, what's the batch code? You have it right there. Pause it now, look at the batch code, and stop asking me every damn video. It's always in the unboxing, man. Come on, keep up. Oof, look at the oiliness. That's how you know it's a true parfum. Like, them things don't leave. They stick on your hand for the longest time. But the scent, oh my God, don't even get me started. It's just so...
Nope.